Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
In this video I will show you how to fix the screen hinge breakage problem in Acer laptops and all other brand model notebooks for free. You can solve the same malfunction that may occur by following step by step. We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together. You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. While disassembling your laptop, we will disassemble the laptop with a 90-degree monitor angle, which is the first and only applied PC Dr. 35 in the world. Thus, we will not damage our laptop hinges. First of all, by opening our keyboard tabs, we disassemble our keyboard and start disassembling our device from the screws under the keyboard. I will suggest you a video on what failure disassembling the laptop with the 90-degree monitor open rule will protect us from. I saw that the screws loosen on the Samsung brand laptop that I disassembled before. If I had to disassemble the single hinge with 3 screws with the 90-degree angle rule, it would be held with a single screw and that screw socket would be broken, which means opening another unnecessary expense.
Then it was the turn of the back cover. The back cover should be removed gently. We will open the back cover by freeing it from its nails. It should not be forced when opening, otherwise we may damage the nails. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
The hinge failure has grown even more. The parts in the case have started to break. From the outside, when the monitor is open and closed, the opening and deformation of the case are clearly visible.
You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
The screw counter nuts, which are formed on the corner hinges of the screen of all laptops, come out by breaking the point where they are held in the plastic case. We re-weld these parts with a soldering iron and strengthen them using the same plastic.
Let's heat this piece with a soldering iron and seat it here and let it stand straight. Let's fill it around and support it so that our piece stays solid.
I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. While we are opening our device, we notice that there is a hinge fault as well as other faults. I would like you to see how we can solve this fault without using glue. The screw counter nuts, which are formed on the corner hinges of the screen of all laptops, come out by breaking the point where they are held in the plastic case. We re-weld these parts with a soldering iron and strengthen them using the same plastic. The screw counter nuts, which are formed on the corner hinges of the screen of all laptops, come out by breaking the point where they are held in the plastic case. We re-weld these parts with a soldering iron and strengthen them using the same plastic. After making the necessary repairs, we strengthen and support this area a little more with silicone. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them.
This piece is broken, we will have to replace it, but let's try to make a suitable piece for ourselves here. It would be nicer if we recycle and free repair. And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.